Hello and welcome back to the DOTween tutorial series. This is part 3, and today we'll learn how to control when your animations start using a powerful feature called SetDelay. Right now, when we press play, our cube animation starts automatically. This is because we placed the animation code inside the start method, which runs as soon as the scene begins. Now, let's quickly see how we can add a delay to this animation. All we need to do is use .SetDelay right after our animation code. This tells DOTween to wait 1 second before starting the movement. Alright, let's test it out now and see how the delay works. When we press play, the cube should wait for a second before it starts moving. As you can see, the cube waited for 1 second, and then the animation started. Now, I will add 3 cubes to the scene so we can see the delay more clearly. Each cube will move after a short wait, but they will not move at the same time. The first cube will start right away. The second cube will wait for 0.3 seconds. The third cube will wait for 0.6 seconds. This is called a staggered animation. It means the animations happen one after another, not all together. This is very useful in games. For example, when buttons appear one by one on the screen, or when enemies enter in a smooth way. That's it for part 3. Now you know how to use SetDelay to control exactly when your animations begin. In the next part, we'll combine everything, movement, ease, and delay, into one clean animation sequence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in part 4.